Up and away from Johan Goosen. He's going to be a key player for the Bulls this season if they are to overcome in the 18 matches which lie before them before the knockout stages of the Vodacom URC. Referee Mike Adamson on the case. Can they get some go forward before Papier has to set this ball free? The answer is no. False start from Harold Foster. Similani receives. Papier fees Norkia on the charge. The Bulls almost jumped the gun this time. They don't wait to set. They've caught the Scarlets sleeping, and now they've got to go forward, coming around the corner. Resistance crumbling. Grobbelaar breaking. Grobbelaar's got support. Feeding on the outside to the young superstar, Cameron Hanekom.
Look at this, the ball, the leg drive is good. Well organised, well. They did well to stay on their feet at the Bulls there. There was a second where I thought they were going to go to ground. Grobbelaar it is, around the corner. Thought he might have needed to pass that, but stretched and scored. Well played, young man. Defence trying to hold off and shift and buy as much time as possible.
Holding it at the back, Hanekom, he breaks away eventually. He's an absolute beast!
Well, should never have scored from there, should he?
Papier makes his tackle, gets out of the way, and the Bulls come piling in. Now they've turned it over. Here's Norkia. Norkia gets it free to Low. Low finds Grobbelaar. It's an absolute banger of a try from the Bulls.
I think it was actually David Creel in there making the steal, and then look at this, as that ball frees up, there's just too many runners coming on at pace, and Norkia timed his pass perfectly, and Johan Grobbelaar, who's been just outstanding so far, gets the final pass into the space. He goes, and you're not going to stop him with his determination from that close.
I'm good, thanks.
You mentioned it, banger of a try.
The tap from Sean Evans, and he will carry it up
onside
into the teeth of this Bulls defense, and they're going to keep it tight. Williams that time, quick ball away, gives a chance on the outside, just what the Scarlets needed. Easy as that. Johnny McNichol gets over the line. Scarlets on the board.
A little bit of space on the outside. Nice little bit of second wave running here, 2 second waves, and into the space it went. Sucked in the defense, found the space out wide, well finished. Danger of running in behind there, made the timing of the pass perfect from Ewan Lloyd. And Johnny McNichol gets in at the corner. Mike Adamson saying to one of the Welsh players, it's only 2 minutes to the half-time break.
That one drifting slightly from Sean Evans, but on we go, and fed inside by Tom Rogers. There's a chance on here for Plumtree.
Not for me.
Well.
Set up, well structured, well organised.
I'm just checking.
I think that's all right, actually. Plumtree looked like he was going to get reeled in from Quist, and he just couldn't drag him down in time. No, nothing wrong with the pass. Plumtree does well.
He's had a good game today, Tane Plumtree. Scored a try. Tried for the turnover there. Forster's after the chip and go. Wonderful pass away, and the Bulls. It's on here in the corner. Oh, it's a great ball, and Creel's going to round it off in the end. The Vodacom Bulls score again.
Run for Mark. He kicked that monster kick a moment or so ago. Now a deft little trip. Foster was good. But Mark was just so close, and the offload just perfect. Kicking, such a big part of the modern game. We saw Johan Goosen go for the little kick pass earlier. It didn't come off. The little chip this time does. And David Creel is the man who benefits.
Time back on.
Grobbelaar hits the mark and the line out once more. That mark being for Mark, and it's Papier. He sliced them wide open. Finds Stedman Gans, and the Bulls are in again.
Nice setup structure, good hands from Grobbelaar again, and Papier, he's got the pace, and the timing of the pass is just spot on.
Thank you.
Well, it's a really well-worked move, isn't it? With the big man coming around the corner, Johan Grobbelaar, and then Papier with the dummy. Nicely set up, big smiles for the Bulls, for Stedman Khans in particular.
Vantage, hands on the ground.
Penalty advantages. Papier waits. Goosen gets it away. The Scarlets muscling up to the hits. Slow ball that for the Bulls. And Stedman Khans makes it good all the same. Khans is in again.
Former Sevens expert. Timing of the pass good. Two defenders just sucked in onto the ball carrier and the dummy runner, and Khans.
Just coming out of the under-20 league, he's looking full of confidence. Matanzima, wonderful delayed pass. Ludwig breaking through. Support on the outside in Ulrich. A brilliant tackle, so well managed by the young Charlie Titcomb, but it's not on the outside still. Akker van der Merwe. Welcome home. And Reinhard Ludwig is a quality player in that 19 jersey, was waiting. Have an extra number or two out on the outside here, the Bulls, and Goosen might just exploit it. Goosen sent it back inside while Simelane was waiting. Simelane gives it a go himself. He was not in the match day 23 until moments before the game.
It's a scrum. Scrum.
Out the back pocket from Sean Evans, away as far as Titcomb, trying something on the outside. Nicholas gets it free, and now in a touch of space, Joe Roberts. He hasn't been in space all day. It's Plumtree again. Oh, a bit of acceleration. The big number 6 backs himself, and he's in for a second. On the money at line-out time, and that's the Scarlets afternoon in a nutshell. Dan Davis knocks it on. The final whistle blasts from referee Mike Adamson. And the Vodacom Bulls are victorious on opening day for them in the Vodacom URC.